built-in tools to handle missing values gracefully. Plus, let's dive straight into the heart of data processing in Python, Pandas. Think of it as your go-to toolkit, the Swiss Army knife for anyone dealing with data. It's not just another library, it's fundamental to modern data science workflows. So, why Pandas? The star player is the data frame. Imagine a spreadsheet but infinitely more powerful and flexible. It's designed to handle tabular data, rows and columns, like a dream. Need to filter out specific rows? Sort by a column? Group data by categories? Pandas makes these operations incredibly intuitive. And let's be honest, real-world data is messy. Pandas has built-in tools to handle missing values gracefully. Plus, it plays beautifully with others, integrating seamlessly with libraries like NumPy for numerical operations, Matplotlib for plotting, and scikit-learn for machine learning. This ecosystem is what makes Python such a formidable force in data analysis. Getting started is straightforward. First, make sure you have Python installed. Then open your terminal or command prompt and run pip install pandas. Once it's installed, you'll import it into your scripts using import pandas as PD. This alias PD is the standard convention and saves you typing. From there, you'll learn to create the fundamental building blocks, series, which are like one-dimensional arrays, and data frames, the two-dimensional tables we discussed. You'll quickly get comfortable with basic operations like selecting data by index or slicing ranges, which are essential first steps before tackling more complex tasks. Now, data doesn't just appear in your code. You need to bring it in. Pandas excels at reading various formats. Whether you're pulling data from a CSV file, an Excel spreadsheet, a JSON file, or even a SQL database, Pandas has functions for that. Think read CSV, read Excel, read JSON, read SQL. And it's not just about reading. You'll often need to write data back out, maybe after cleaning or transforming it. Functions like to CSV or to Excel make this easy. For those massive data sets that might choke a standard read, Pandas offers chunking capabilities, allowing you to process data in manageable pieces. This flexibility in input and output is crucial for building robust data pipelines. Data cleaning. Let's be real, raw data is rarely pristine. It's often riddled with inconsistencies, missing values, and duplicates. Pandas provides powerful tools to tame this wild data. Start by identifying where the gaps are using is null or not null. Then decide how to handle them. Maybe fill missing numbers with the mean or median, or remove rows or columns entirely if they're mostly empty. Duplicates can skew your analysis, so drop duplicates as your friend. Sometimes data types are wrong, like text stored as numbers. AsType lets you correct that. And for textual data, string methods and regular expressions offer fine-grained control for cleaning and standardizing text. Mastering these steps is critical for reliable results. Once your data is clean, you often need to reshape it to fit your analysis or modeling needs. Pandas offers a rich set of transformation tools. Renaming columns with rename is simple. Reindexing allows you to change the order of rows or introduce new index labels. When you need to pivot your data, say from long format to wide format, pivot and melt are invaluable. Combining datasets is common too. Merge and join allow you to link data frames based on keys, similar to SQL joins, while concatenate stacks them together. This ability to transform and combine data is key to feature engineering, creating new variables that might better capture the underlying patterns in your data. The ultimate goal of data processing is insight. Pandas provides powerful analytical capabilities right out of the box. Need a quick summary? Describe gives you descriptive statistics. Want to break down data by category? Groupie is incredibly versatile for aggregation and analysis within groups. If you're working with time series data, Pandas has specialized functionality for handling dates, extracting time components, and analyzing trends over time. And because it integrates so well with visualization libraries, you can quickly plot your findings. Beyond basic stats, you can perform complex calculations, apply custom functions, and even conduct statistical tests directly on your data frames. This analytical power is what turns raw data into actionable knowledge. Working with large datasets can sometimes feel slow, especially if you rely heavily on Python loops. Pandas is built on NumPy, which uses vectorized operations, computations applied to entire arrays or data frames at once, much faster than iterating row by row. So, always try to leverage these built-in functions instead of writing explicit loops. Using in-place operations, like df, drop columns equals col, in-place equals true, modifies the data frame directly, saving memory and computation time. Be mindful of memory usage too, selecting only necessary columns or using more efficient data types like categorical for strings can significantly improve performance. For truly massive datasets, look into parallel processing options or chunking strategies to further optimize your workflow. Pandas isn't just theoretical, it's used everywhere. In finance, it's crucial for portfolio tracking, risk assessment, and detecting unusual transactions. Healthcare professionals use it to analyze patient records, track treatment outcomes, and support medical research. E-commerce companies rely on Pandas for customer segmentation, predicting sales trends, and powering recommendation engines. Social media analysts use it to gauge public opinion through sentiment analysis or track viral trends. Even in scientific fields like physics or astronomy, Pandas helps researchers manage and analyze complex datasets. Its versatility makes it indispensable across countless domains. In conclusion, mastering Pandas is not just a skill, it's a necessity for anyone serious about data work in Python. Its power and flexibility are unmatched. Keep exploring its depths, and you'll find it unlocks incredible potential for your projects.